Technology. We generally think of it as something that improves our lives, but often its impact is far more complex than its benefit. A seemingly benign technological advance can actually pose risks to social values like liberation, self-determination, social order, well-being, and justice. In this course, we arm students with critical information and nuanced approaches to thinking. We review influential thinkers, then apply their concepts and methods to case studies in artificial intelligence, big data, surveillance, social media, human enhancement, and more. The goal is for students to not only understand the ethical and societal issues new technologies create, but to emerge prepared to think about realistic design and policies to mitigate them. Creating the Davis Institute for Artificial Intelligence, having more informed, critical conversations, and greater representation from a variety of fields and interests. These are the ways we advance the philosophy of technology.